Good morning class. Today we are going to start the unit number 3rd of class 9 mathematics, name that is coordinate geometry. So class, it is the most easiest chapter of the book, most easiest. You are very familiar with the geometry. Geometry means simple drawing of anything. That is, you can say you can draw rectangle, you can draw circle, you can draw square, and whatsoever you can do, that all part come in the part geometry. Now class, a new word that is coordinate. So class, to get this point, we will let to be know that how we can determine about the x-axis, how we can determine about the y-axis, and what is the origin, what is the quadrant, what is abscissa, and what is ordinate, and all these things define as for the coordinate. Now class, let's start. As you are very familiar, this is a number line where it's a 0, and this part is positive and this part is negative. This here that in the number line. Now from today I am calling this horizontal line. This is known by the horizontal line. Horizontal line means a line along the ground. कि ground के साथ चलने वाली line, that is line along the ground is a horizontal line. Isn't that class? Now this horizontal line is also known to be x-axis. Also known to be x-axis, and other name of x-axis is abscissa. Is abscissa, and this is the minus coordinate. This is the minus coordinate. So in a number line this part is positive, and this in number line this part is negative. Now class, a one more line, this is you can say vertical line, is passed through that particular point. Is passed through that particular point, then this part is considered as a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. If a horizontal line and a vertical line intersect each other at a point O, and that particular point, or you can say particular plane, is known as Cartesian plane. And the point where they intersect is considered as O, named origin. Named origin. Any doubt class? Now class, if we know that horizontal line is known as x-axis, likely the vertical line is also known as y-axis, and this is y-axis. So for the y-axis, it's a ordinate. Other name of y-axis is ordinate, and this is horizontal line, this is the vertical line. And out class. Now class, if two lines intersect at a point O, then there is a plane formation, and this plane is divided in 4 equal parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each plane is known as quadrant. What it is? Quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4 part. Quadrant means 1/4 part. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Isn't doubt till here class? So what you have read, there are two lines, one is horizontal, other is vertical. When they are intersecting at a point O, that point is known as origin. The vertical line is said to be the y-axis, that other name is ordinate, that is vertical line. Now other line is horizontal line, that is x-axis, other name is abscissa. So when these two lines intersect each other, it's divided in 4 equal parts, and each part is known as quadrant, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't doubt till here? So this is the basic of the graph. Now class, let we know that what is the coordinate. Coordinate means means 2. Ordinate means any point on a graph. 2 points on a graph. Got it class? I am going to rub. Okay, take a screenshot of this. 1, 2, 3, going to rub. Now class, again I'm drawing. This is your graph at origin O. O is the origin. It's a x-axis. It's a x dash axis. It's a y-axis. It's a y dash axis. Now class, you are already very familiar with the term that is 2 comma 1. I am writing 2 comma 1. So class, as 2 is always the point of x-axis and 1 is always the point of y-axis, means first position is always reserved for the x-axis and second position is always reserved for the y-axis. Any doubt till here? Now class, we will place this point in the graph. I will assume it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 5. It is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is minus 3, it is minus 4, it is minus 1, it is minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. And doubt till here? Now class, what is the point? That x is 2. Where is x? This is x and there is a plus sign. So plus is here. This one is a plus part. So 2 is here. What is the y? Y is 1. This is y. So class, from a point 2, draw a line parallel to y-axis. Now from a point 1, draw a line parallel to x-axis. Okay class. Now look at where they intersect. The point where they intersect is named as 2 comma 1. Is named as 2 comma 1. As x is for x is 2 and y is 1. That is known as coordinate. That is known as coordinate. Any doubt till here class? Now we will take 2 or 3 examples. Okay? Now, for example, it's a minus 2 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1. So class, first one is the x. Now x, this is 2, this is minus 2. So what is given in the question? It is minus 2. So we will start from here. And what is y? Y is 1. So it's a 1. When a parallel line drawn, the point where they intersect is that point considered as minus 2 comma 1. Okay, another point minus 2 comma minus 1. So class, again x-axis, on axis there is a point minus 2. This is minus 2 and this is minus 1. So where they intersect each other, that point is known to be minus 2 comma minus 1 and other is 2 comma minus 1. So 2 is this. What is minus? Here is it is minus. When they intersect, it is 2 comma minus 1. Any doubt till here? So class, we have learned how to represent these points, that is named as coordinate points, on the graph. Isn't doubt till here? Now class, in this chapter there is a 2 type of problems we are having. One is to represent these coordinate in a graph, or second problem is, I'm going to write here. Second problem is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So it's a x-axis, it's a x dash axis, it's a y-axis, it's a y dash axis. For example, this point they had called it A. The point where they intersect is called as B. C. D. And what is the question? Identify the points, coordinates of the point. Identify the coordinates of point A, B, C, D. Very easy class. Coordinate of A. What is x? X is here 2. What is y? Y is again 2. So this is the coordinate of A. So A coordinate is 2, 2. Any doubt class? Now for the B, what is x? X is 4. X is 4. Look here. X is 4. Y is minus 3. Y is minus 3. So 4 comma minus 3. What is the point that is 4 comma minus 3. Any doubt class? Now C point, where is C? This is C. What is X? X is 1. What is Y? Y is 4. So C is 1 comma 4. Any doubt? For the D, X is minus 2 and Y is only 3. So minus 2 comma 3. So class, this is the second solution that problem you are facing in the unit number 3rd. So class, what we have read? We have read that there are two lines. One is horizontal, other is vertical. Horizontal line is named as x-axis or other name is abscissa, or vertical line is named as y-axis, other name is ordinate. The point where they intersect, that is origin. Got it? When they intersect each other, this plane is divided into 4 equal parts and each part is known as quadrant. And there are two problems. One is to point out the points in a graph and other find out the points for a particular A, B and C. Any doubt till here class? This is all about the exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. So class, it's a very easy part. Have a look in a book. According to me, you will not face any problem for solving the question. Thank you class.